is me. So right now I just felt like filming a video. Yeah. So right now I'm just doing nothing. I'm filming a video, as you can see. I'm just laying in bed for this. I was just like videos on YouTube. So yeah, I'm doing this video. Here's some news. I will be doing a what I got for Christmas and Christmas Eve haul, because I'm not going to show you my Christmas presents on Christmas Eve. I mean my Christmas Eve presents on Christmas, because I'll be asleep for Santa to get our things. So yeah. Sorry, I just really wanted to move on. So yeah, that's why I made this video. I also wanted to do this dance that I've been doing for a while that I can't get out of my mind. Okay. So the first way you do is it's really easy. It's a really easy dance, but you have to do this. Okay. Put the chair like this because I moved. So you have to go in the middle of the room, and you have to have your hands out like this, like you're going to have a cup. But you know, like, so with your feet, you have to step apart like this. So make this sound. Boom, and then boom, and boom, and boom, and then boom, and then boom. And then the other side, and then like boom, dun, dun, 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 boom. And then you do this, so hold your hands like this. Here, and then you do walk, 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 walk. And then you put your hands on your knees, and you do this. You put your hands down, you do this. And then you're up. So that's your dance. And this is what this video is all about, dancing and telling you the news. So maybe I'll make a video later. See you guys later. Bye.